guys can listen to other reviews I've done, I don't think I've ever said this is the best dash cam. I did one other time, which was the one I was using before I put this on. So it's going to come down to now the quality of the footage. That's going to be the big winner right now. If the quality of the footage is really good, then this is going to get close to a 5-star rating, if not 5-star rating from me. Hey guys, welcome everyone. So today we are reviewing the AZDOME streaming media mirror dash cam. So on the top here you have a USB port, AV port, TF port, GPS port, as well as you have the camera right over here. And this goes around your mirror, so your mirror that you have on now, this would get placed on, and then you loop this around that mirror and place this on, and then it would be strapped onto your other mirror. So we're just going to set the SD card in the dash cam first, and always connect the dash cam with power when using. So we open up the kit and we see that they do supply a 32 gigabyte SD card. You do get a reverse camera, so you can mount this on your license plate or somewhere in the back, and they provide you with enough cable to hook it up, as well as a GPS right here. So let's go ahead and set this up. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the mirror on. Look how clear that is. I mean, that is like crystal clear. Is that not crazy? So nice wide angle. So the camera, we have it right here. We need to position it a little differently, however we want. You use this to adjust how tight you want the strap, that way it doesn't come off. We might adjust this side a little more. I don't think it's going to come off, but we might adjust it just enough to make it a little tighter. So let's go ahead and connect the cables. So up top here, you have the USB for the power of the mirror, you have your TF card, you have AV port. Right here's for your GPS. So this little device gets plugged in there, and then you put this somewhere on your dash. We're not going to tuck the wires away for right now. We're just setting everything up just so you guys can see what it looks like and get some footage for you. So as we power it on, so all you have to do is plug in the AV port for the rear camera, and the rear camera will show up right here. So let's see if we can get this turned. Alright, so now it's full rear camera mode. So you can change this, you can set this up. Right now there's a sticker over it, so it looks kind of hazy. It won't be as hazy once it's set up. So let me show you guys. So look how clear that is. That's the reverse, or that's the rear camera. So that is the front. Both are very clear. And you can change a lot of stuff with this. So you can tap it, and when you tap it, you can go through, oh, that is awesome guys. You can actually go through different modes by just tapping the screen. Here you have to stop recording. That takes a picture. Here you can lock it if you don't want the screen, or you want to, I wonder what the lock's for. Mic, you can turn off the audio, turn it on, stop recording by pressing this. What's this do? Okay, that switches over as well. Here's files, front, so emergency videos and all kinds of stuff you got. Let's go under settings, because they do recommend formatting the memory card right away, and you can go to sensors, sounds, speed limit, speed unit. We're going to do the miles per hour, frequency 60. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff. You can take the video timestamp off if you want. Format reminder, rear view mirror on, parking guide on. So there's a whole bunch of things that you can change under video settings. You can set the resolution. and loop recording, how long it records. We're gonna go ahead and format the SD card because that's what they recommend doing. So we just did that. And yeah, this is awesome, guys. I actually love this. Like, I really, really love this. So now that we formatted the card, let's get reviewing, show you guys here. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to this review video. We're gonna go and test out some driving. So we're not setting up the rear view camera for this video because that takes a lot of time, and I just want you guys to see, you know, the quality. So we're gonna add the footage of driving coming up shortly. Okay guys, so I do want to add, all you gotta do is tap this button underneath here. You can get your mirror. It's still recording. Tap it again. You can see what's going on. Tap the screen, change the modes. Under this mode is very wide, so this just kind of like spreads it really out wide. Guys, so we took out the reversed one just to see how it is. So you actually press on the side here to zoom, to go up or down. So you can actually set this to view your angle even better. So that's how you actually adjust that. I thought maybe, you know, the other screen was a different mode, but no, this is just how you adjust it. You tap and then you can adjust. Like, you can look really low, or you can position it, you know, probably about right there. But the quality on this is amazing. Like this is truly amazing, the quality. So I'm very curious to see how the actual recording quality is. But on, you know, looking at this screen, it's amazing. It's truly amazing. I love this. I just hope when I get the, you know, video footage and show it you guys, you know, I just hope that it's the same quality, like it's just as good. So we'll see. So guys, I'm not gonna lie, I am really loving this dash cam. In fact, as of right now, it's my most favorite dash cam that I've ever reviewed, and I've reviewed over 12. So I'm just very curious to see how the video quality actually looks. Like, I just love this. Like, overall, it's amazing because, so the screen auto goes off, it'll go black, that way you can use it as a regular mirror. However, if you use your eyesight and, you know, your hindsight, you can actually stare through the video and actually see in your rear view. So if you adjust your eyes, you can see, you know, like you can see now in the rear view. When it's on, you can also see in the rear view. If you adjust your eye focus, it's amazing. Like, this is the best dash cam ever. And you guys can listen to other reviews I've done. I don't think I've ever said this is the best dash cam. I did one other time, which was the one I was using before I put this on. So it's gonna come down to now the quality of the footage. That's gonna be the big winner right now. If the quality of the footage is really good, then this is gonna get close to a 5-star rating, if not 5-star rating from me. That's my honest opinion. I'm not told to say that. That is legit my honest opinion on this. I absolutely love it.